In this lecture, we are going to focus on the three basic forms, positive, negative, and question, of the simple present verb. I am Canadian. This is a positive sentence. You can also say an affirmative sentence. I am not Canadian. This is a negative sentence. Am I Canadian? This is a question sentence. You can also say interrogative sentence. But I prefer to say positive, negative, and question because it's simpler to remember and understand. These are the symbols that I'm going to use. To make a negative with the verb to be is easy. Simply put not after the verb to be. So negative, I am not. He is not. She is not. It is not. We are not. You are not. They are not. Do you remember contractions from the earlier lecture? Contractions are short forms of the verb to be. Contractions are mostly used when speaking, but they are also used as a relaxed form of writing. The apostrophe marks where the letters are missing. Negatives have contractions also. You have two options with negative contractions. I'm not, he's not, or he isn't. She's not, or she isn't. It's not, or it isn't. We're not, or we aren't. You're not, or you aren't. They're not, or they aren't. Both are correct. Remember, we use contractions for speech or informal writing. Do not use contractions in business settings. To make a sentence negative, add not after the verb to be. The girl is reading. The girl is not reading. The children are playing. The children are not playing. The sky is blue. No, it's not. It's not blue. It's gray. Amy and I are leaving. No, we aren't. We are arriving. To make a sentence a question, we must invert the verb to be and the subject. The girl is reading. Is the girl reading? The children are playing. Are the children playing? In English, when we answer a question with yes or no, we also use the verb to be. We call these short answers. Examples. Are the children playing? Yes, they are. Here are some examples of short answers. Are you Korean? Yes, I am. Is none of it a territory of Canada? Yes, it is. Are these your keys? Yes, they are. We use short answers for negative answers also, but we normally offer more information than just a short answer. Are you Korean? No, I'm not. I'm Japanese. Are you hungry? No, I'm not, but I'm thirsty. Are you feeling okay? No, I'm not. I'm feeling sick. Is it time to go? No, it's not. It's only 4:30. Are we invited to Tom's party? No, we aren't. Only family is invited. If we start a question with the verb to be, our answer will always start with yes or no. We call these yes-no questions.
Excuse me, ma'am, I think you dropped your bank card.
Okay, thank you, sir.
No problem. Hey, wait a minute. Are you Stephanie Hamilton?
Yes, do I know you?
Yeah, Dave from college.
Dave Picato?
That's right.
Oh my, how are you?
Great, how are you doing?
Great. Are you here for the meet and greet?
I am actually. I'm here to expand my network.
Oh, really? What do you do?
I'm a freelancing web marketer.
Wow, interesting.
Yeah, it keeps me busy. What about you? What are you doing?
I teach English as a second language.
Really?
Yeah.
Are you here to expand your network?
No. I come here after work to relax, get a drink, meet people.
I'd love to catch up with you. I just gotta meet up with somebody. Can we maybe connect?
Definitely. Are you on Facebook?
I am. It's just under my name.
Is this you?
Yeah, that's me.
Okay. Well, I sent you a friend request.
That's great, Stephanie. It's good to see you.
It was really nice seeing you.
We'll have to catch up.
Definitely.
Bye now.
Bye-bye. This concludes part 2 of this course. I highly recommend you to watch the video a second time. Next, download the PDF's activity if you haven't already done it, and work on completing these exercises. You can repeat this process as many times as you feel is necessary.